Hello and welcome back to Mack Mechanical, and in today's video we're going to be making some stout. I hope you all had a good Christmas and best of wishes from myself and Big Heart Scrapper. Right, I'm going to add just over 1.7 litres of water, to my sugar and ingredients. And I'm just going to boil up this kettle of water and add approximately half a litre of water to that, giving that a stir. This ingredients a stir. Just give this a stir up. I use demerara sugar, brown sugar, right? You can use all sorts of different types of sugar. You can even use the proper brew stuff. I don't bother with it. I use demerara sugar. I find it leaves a nicer taste. There's also, in this mix, there's a drop of honey. I'm also going to put a tablespoon of coffee into it. I find that gives it a nice bite. So you bear with me a second. I'll get a tablespoon. I won't get that one though. I'll get that one. That's good coffee. I know it's instant coffee, but it is good coffee. The last coffee I used was an Americano. This coffee is, I believe, Dow Edwards.
Yep.
So it's a good coffee. Gives it a nice zingy taste. So I'll just add the rest of the water. There we go, that's about 2 litres of water in that now. And if you just hard with me a second, I'll get the wort open. Tastes good. I'm just going to put a wee splash of hot water into this. And swirl the can around. Get a oven gloves or a towel. to get the remainder of the water out. And as you can see, for what's left in that, it's not worth having. I'll put that there and my wife shall dispose of it, luckily with me. Now I shall continue to add water until we get to about the 23 mark. Not a bad day up here today, bit fresh, but not too bad a day. For our Boxing Day, we had ice this morning, we had heavy frost last night, so I tend to pour that in at a height to aerate. Saves me doing lots of stirring. I think it's between 21 and 27 degrees centigrade, somewhere about 72 I believe in Fahrenheit. Not working in Fahrenheit, working in Celsius because we're in the UK. And the tap water here comes straight from Loch Chelchick, if you'd like to look that up. The tap water here is beautiful, you can drink. And I highly recommend our Scottish water for drinking. So we've got a bit of a head there. Me and Matthews like to see a good head. Just approaching the 20 now, so I think we can call that about 23. I'm going to give that a stir. Now this water is just sanitised water, so don't be worrying on things like it's nae, good and you're poisoning yourself, and no, I won't. It's all sanitised. I've sanitised everything in it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the sample for me old, roughly, as I say, I've got an idea on what temperature is, about between 20 and 21 at the moment. Ooh, bit of a spillage. I've got a start there of about 10:45 or 10:46. I'm just going to put a wee bit of that out. Yeah, it's that's about 1046. So that's a good level to start. I'm going to taste that and see what that tastes like. Yeah, tastes good. So I think I said we did about 20, so we've done 20, 21 pits of yeast. So normally that's when I would do this. So I shall open the yeast. I can't remember where my scissors are. Oh, that's not going to work. There we go. I just use the yeast that comes with it, 7.5 grams of Cooper's yeast that came with that. And usually I find it works well. And I've made, well, as I'm sure you all know, I've made a few batches of stout, dark ales, IPAs. So roughly now we'll leave that for around about 7 to 10 days, and this cloth's just been coming out the wash, so it's lovely and clean. So we'll check that in 7 to 10 days to find out what the gravity reading on it is. Right? What I'm aiming for, say, strength wise, will be around about 6.5, 5%. So it can vary on the ingredients. I used 1 kilogram of brown sugar. I did probably about 150 grams of honey, and then the kit, you know, but the recipe varies, you know. A tablespoon and a bit of coffee just to give it that bite, you know. I'm not really into a sweet tasting beer. Anyway, so I hope you've all enjoyed that, and we shall see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.